Hi, I'm Doug Jones, Magician. This is Kianna, and we did this trick last week on Doug's Magic, and it didn't work because you see this little speaker on me right here. You see the little green light. Well, last week I turned the green light off, and so we had a video with no sound at all. So it didn't make sense. But we're going to do the trick again. And now you can notice I've got a $100 bill in my pocket this week. Last week I had a $10 bill. Now here's the agreement we got to do on video. If I don't do this trick right, you get the $10, not $100.
Oh, okay.
You okay with that?
Yes, I'm
okay. Good, because I want to clear that up. All right. So what we did, we just had you pick a card. Okay. So you can. I'll do a little different than last week. Just reach and grab some cards. Got them. There's your card right there.
Okay.
So let me see what your card is. No, I don't want to see. No. You got your card. Put it back.
Yes.
Okay. You're sure what you got your card is? Okay. Okay. And that's not that card there, right?
No.
No, not that card. Okay. And what I'm going to do. The card is in there, right? Somewhere. You see the cards.
Yes.
Okay. And this week we'll show everybody the cards. Can you see that? Did you mark the cards? Okay. So we have different cards, and I'm going to try to find your card. And if I don't find your card, you win $10, not $100. I'll take this bill and I'll just mark the last zero off with a magic marker.
Okay.
With by open again. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to cut the deck just like that, and you tell me when to stop. The reason is I'm going to cut it like 4 times. Okay, so just tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay, there's 1. Let's do it again.
Stop.
2. Okay.
Stop.
3 and 4. Now this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to remove 3 of these. Tell me one of the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and last week you said 5. It doesn't count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one do you want me to remove first?
3.
3, this one here, right? Okay. Reason I do that because that could be 3 count this way. Okay.
Oh.
So what's the next one to remove?
1.
Ooh, I like 1. You sure? Okay. Next one?
4.
4. So we got these removed, and now we've got 1 card remaining on top, right? So I'm hoping this works because, but she only gets 10. She only gets 10. Okay. Is that your card?
Yes.
Oh, good. See, well, actually, I did plan on it being your card because, see.
Oh, how?
Anyway, I'm Doug. This is Kianna, and we have fun with magic.